Hi Ken, sorry for the problems you've been having with product style. I'm fairly confident that the issues that are going on here is some kind of a conflict with another plugin. There are a number of these other plugins that are obviously operating here on this editor page, and it's quite possible that something that they are doing, especially since some of this seems to be the non-standard editor. So something here is obviously being changed by one of these other plugins, and I'm pretty confident that this is causing this to not work. I am in the process of redesigning where this button is going to be located and how it will operate. However, this is not something that I can quickly change, unfortunately. I did notice, though, that if you go over here and you click on the text tab to view your page as HTML instead of viewing the visual output of it, the PS button definitely does work. It's possible maybe you're using a different browser and maybe it's not working in a different browser. Could definitely be a possibility, but I'm using Firefox here and don't have any issues inserting an ad into the page. As you can see, this standard shortcode here, AMZPS with the ID on the end, this ID number here relates to a specific advertisement number, the number that is next to the ad here. So while this little shortcode generator here is intended to help save time, they can even be generated manually by simply knowing the numbers. So I at least wanted to point out a couple different ways that you could potentially use this despite the conflicts that are obviously going on here. However, I will work on getting some updates made to this plugin to try to get this button functioning for you correctly in the visual tab. However, there are still some situations that come up with other plugins and conflicts with them where I might be a little limited because I can't change the code in other plugins. So I can't say for sure if this would be one of those situations where it would be impossible or not to be able to fix it in the visual tab. But I at least wanted to point out that there are a couple of ways that this will function for you currently until I can get some of those updates done.